alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Take a look. Some ominous clouds above Nocatee. That's near the Jacksonville area. The National Weather Service is warning of severe thunderstorms, golf ball-sized hail, and wind gusts of up to 70 miles per hour. This comes as a tornado swept through the Tallahassee area, destroying several homes there. Meteorologist K.C. Sherman is here now. And K.C., I feel like there's no other way to describe the weather pattern we've been seeing lately except for crazy.
Crazy, exactly.
It's wild.
It has been, yeah, and we're heading into another kind of 2-day severe weather threat today into tomorrow as another front approaches the area. Now, this is brand new from the Storm Prediction Center. They have now put us today under a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms, at least for the northern half of Miami-Dade County and all through Broward County. For the potential of seeing some strong severe storms, but I would say the timing of this for those thunderstorms will be more into this evening and tonight as we start to see some thunderstorms approach out ahead of a front that'll be moving through tomorrow. Tomorrow's the day they'll be featuring more widespread thunderstorms and the higher threat to see some severe weather. You can see that yellow changes to orange, indicating that level 2 out of 5 risk for most of South Florida. We'll be tracking the potential seeing some severe wind gusts of up to and over 60 miles per hour, large hail for tomorrow, heavy rain, and can't quite rule out a brief spin-up tornado. Time frame of that will be about late morning into early afternoon for your Sunday. As for today, for your Saturday, most of us waking up to a dry, humid, warm start. We've had just a couple of showers out through the upper Keys over about the past hour, but many of us throughout the day actually looking fairly quiet. We will see some isolated storms, particularly for our inland zones. It's going to be a hot one. The humidity making it feel closer to 100 degrees for some areas by our peak daytime heating hours, 2-3 o'clock this afternoon. Front gets closer to our areas we head into tomorrow, and that's where we'll see that line of strong storms set to move it out ahead of it, along with a bit of a breezy day of weather for your Sunday. As far as our threats go, and again, the time frame would be about late morning, early afternoon for your Sunday. Highest threat here is going to be the potential of seeing some damaging straight line winds. Could see some large hail from some of these storms because we have some colder air aloft in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Thankfully, these cells should be pretty fast moving, but with any downpours, we will be tracking potential of seeing some isolated flooding. And again, that tornado threat not completely zero, but it is low for tomorrow. It's something that we'll continue to monitor. We have a wind advisory that kicks in effect for tomorrow, thanks to the fact that those winds will really be cranking up out of the southwest, out ahead of that front. Could see some gusts of up to 40 miles per hour. That's through 8 p.m. in the evening for your Sunday for all those areas in orange, so coastal areas of Miami-Dade and Broward County. Timing things out for the rest of the day today, notice not much activity. We're looking at quiet, warm conditions as we head through the lunchtime hour. This is 2 o'clock. It's by this evening that we could start to see a thunderstorm or two pop up out ahead of that front. Notice this particular computer model indicating a little bit more of a line moving through as we head into this evening and tonight. This is 10 p.m. stopping the clock. That's what could be packing a little bit more of a punch in terms of those stronger storms. Heading into tonight and tomorrow, an additional round, this is out ahead of that front, begins to move through 10 a.m., 11 a.m. This is noon for tomorrow, and again, these could be packing that punch, capable of producing some severe wind gusts, along with potential to see some hail. But things are out of here after about 3 o'clock, and then behind that, we're looking drier and less humid as we head into what should be the start of the week. Comfortable conditions for those dew points on the way. Today, though, hot and humid, highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Things then looking good Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday behind the front as we dry things out.
Thank you, K.C.